striped wall paint designs have long been a popular choice for homeowners and interior designers looking to add a dynamic and stylish touch to their spaces. Stripes can instantly transform a room, making it feel more vibrant, spacious, or visually interesting. Whether you're going for a bold, modern look or something more subtle and classic, striped wall paint designs offer endless possibilities to suit your style and personality. Stripes are one of the most versatile patterns in interior design. Depending on the size, color, and orientation of the stripes, they can completely change the perception of a room's size and shape. Horizontal stripes, for example, can make a room feel wider, creating the illusion of space, which is ideal for narrow or small rooms. On the other hand, vertical stripes elongate the walls, making a low-ceilinged room feel taller and more open. Striped wall designs are also incredibly customizable. You can choose from thin or thick stripes, mix and match colors, or even alternate different finishes like matte and glossy paints to add texture and depth. This flexibility means you can create a unique look tailored to your personal taste and the specific needs of your space. When it comes to striped wall paint designs, there are several different styles to consider. Each can bring a unique aesthetic to a room, depending on how it's executed. Horizontal stripes are a timeless design choice. These stripes are often used to create the illusion of a wider space, making them a perfect option for rooms that feel a bit too narrow. Classic black and white horizontal stripes are bold and make a striking statement in modern spaces. Alternatively, you can opt for softer shades like pale blues, grays, or creams for a more calming and subtle look, perfect for bedrooms or living areas. The key to pulling off horizontal stripes is to ensure precision in their spacing and width, which can be achieved using painter's tape and a steady hand. Vertical stripes are ideal for spaces with lower ceilings, as they naturally draw the eye upwards, making the room appear taller. This design works exceptionally well in rooms like dining areas or foyers, where you want to create a sense of height and elegance. Vertical stripes can vary in thickness for a more dramatic effect, with wider stripes creating a bold, modern look, while thinner stripes are more subtle and traditional. Pairing two complementary colors, such as beige and white, or gray and light blue, can add a sophisticated touch to any room. For those looking to make a real statement, diagonal stripes can be an exciting and contemporary option. Diagonal stripes add a sense of movement and energy to a space, making them ideal for accent walls in living rooms, home offices, or children's rooms. If you're looking for a playful and eclectic design, multicolor stripes might be the way to go. This approach allows you to experiment with several colors, either in a repeating pattern or in random order, for a fun and dynamic wall design. Multicolor stripes work well in children's rooms, playrooms, or creative spaces where you want to inject energy and personality. Opt for colors that complement the overall decor of